Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sam, HTLFX. Like usual, welcome another video. So today it's very simple. It's gonna be a recap for our last trade. By the way, you can go watch my previous video to understand the mistake, blah blah blah, because it was losing trade on gold, of course. So now we're gonna start. People asking me how to start, how to analyze your chart, how to read candlestick, how the narrative, the scenario of the market. All right. So it's very easy. First of all, we're gonna start from the higher time frame, go down till the low time frame. All right. Here on the daily, we know that we are in bearish order flow. So by the way, this week, let's talk about this week. It's very easy. We're gonna grab the fib, all right, or this. We need to know where we are, all right. Here, this is, we call it the premium. So of course we need to grab the swing high, the swing low, all right. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing high, swing low. You feel me? So this is the premium, and this is the discount, all right. So we know the logic that trading, we need to sell higher price and buy lower price. All right. So you can't sell here. You're on the, you know what I mean? So here, the premium, you sell here, discount just to buy. All right. So this is the first thing. We need to find a premium where to sell. All right. Now we are in the premium area. By the way, first of all, we need to spot where the wick start here on Monday, the weekly open. We're gonna spot this. It's very easy. So now here the premium, we need to find or look out for PD arrays. All right, we're gonna delete this. We have this first one. Okay, boom, right here. This is gap. We call it fair value gap, or you can call it like CB from here. Wait a minute. From this low, this high wick. Boom. This is a beautiful place to sell. But now we need good price to sell. You need, you know what I mean? So we need to sell the high price here, here, here. This is the first PD array. And why I took sell right here, I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I spot that we have a beautiful, or let's say small, fair value gap. I thought that it's a beautiful PD array. You know what I mean? It was right here. This beautiful fair value gap. All right. So market respected this fair value gap, as you can see here. Boom, touch it. I took sell right here. Boom, 40 pips. I don't know, 30. Then what happened? Market. Let me delete this. So what happened? Market start trade lower. All right. So I said, all right. But I know that the high of the week is gonna create on Wednesday, because on previous video I said that Monday no news, Tuesday no news, Wednesday we have news. So Wednesday, when the market gonna create the high of the week, you know what I mean? So yeah, but here it was a mistake, but beautiful because the market respected. That's why when I see that the market respect this move with a beautiful breaker, I said okay, that the market's gonna go lower and maybe it's gonna move up tomorrow. So by the way, it was a beautiful trade. I was in profit, but I did not close my trade. And yeah, it's a normal thing. So here's the thing. Market, boom, go up, kick me out, and start trade lower, higher, I mean. Why? I'm gonna tell you why it was a bad area to sell. Let's go. Let's back to the daily time frame. As you can see here, I said that beautiful fair value gap with a consequence caution right here. Okay, look at this. The daily candle closed above it. So here, logic, market the daily candle need to close below it because body respect the consequence caution. So body tell the story and the wicks make the damage. So it's very easy. You feel me? Look at this. Today, the candle closed below, but the wicks make the damage. You see? Look at this big move. So yeah, that's it. Here, when you see this sign, which means the market still keep moving up for a better price, to sell like higher price. So let's go. So it was a bad trade, the first thing. Bad trade. The second thing, I did not follow my plan, which is the news, like predict the market. So I was trading no logic right here. The logic is the high is going to create on Wednesday. Of course, after the news, because the news bring volume to the market to reach that PD array. All right. Now I'm going to come back. What the fuck? 4G. Damn. So here we have another for value gap. You see? Boom. With so this is a high time frame PD array, and this is too high time frame PD array, and this is a buy, buy side liquidity right here, all there. So let me change it. Okay, buy side liquidity, and yeah, look at that. Touch it, then boom. The news was here, and we have another sign, which is the candle close without wick above. So when you see the candle close without wick, which means we're gonna reverse. All right, this is the second sign. All right, we touch. Let's make it green. PD array. Okay, boom, green, baby. PD array. Boom. So the logic is when the market open, the weekly open, start trade higher, people start freaking out, and smart money too. When they find, I don't know, their setup, they took a buy, but they're against the logic. So logic here, the market open, create the high, then boom, reverse to create the low. So market need to reach a higher PD array, which is higher price, then reverse. All right, boom, we're reaching the PD array right here. But now when the price reach PD array, the second thing is we find position to enter. Here, people who enter here very risky. So now you need to find like a tool. For me, I use this beautiful tool, which is some of the ICT tool, which is the breaker. All right, we call it the breaker black. Sorry, breaker black. This video is gonna be R. You feel me? R. It's hard. R. I'm kidding. So funny. So here, this candle close below. You see, boom, trade higher. You see this high, higher high, higher low, higher high, close below this low. So which means that the market's gonna move up, touch we call it the shoulder, yeah, shoulder, like the middle of the breaker, the middle of the gaps, we call it the consequence caution, about the middle, like the 50% of the breaker, we call it the shoulder. All right, so the entry should be here in the middle, and the stop loss this high, the high of the breaker, then boom, target. You can hold till below this, this weekly open, by the way. You can hold, by the way, you can hold till the higher time frame PD array. You feel me? So now let's look at this. What is this? 17. All right, till this low. So yeah, that's the the logic. Now let's go to the daily time frame to find the PD array. For me, the PD array now is this. We have beautiful PD array right here, because market here start creating some BC. That's not BC, So the consequence caution for this BC. So that's the PD array right now. Okay, boom, from here to here. So PD array, PD PD array. So I'm gonna delete this. So that's the target. Okay, so here the logic market need to trade higher, touch or let's say reach PD array using news like the volume of the news to reach it, then boom, trade lower, logic, and start trading below the weekly open to reach the PD array. So start trading higher, of course, on the sell when we are bearish, start trading bullish, people start buying, but the logic is selling. You feel me? Boom, boom, boom. Get the PD array, start trading lower, kick them out, then reach the PD array. Or the second PD array is, which is this sell side liquidity. Why? Because we are in the bearish order flow. You feel me? So yeah, that's it. That's for gold. Now we move to EURUSD, where I took my trade. All right. So let me check this. 30-minute. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna go to the daily time frame. I'm gonna delete this. Wait a minute. Okay, my PC. So let's delete this smart money tool, smart money concept tool. Delete this. So here we have the weekly open. All right, market start trade higher. You know what I mean? The logic to reach PD arrays, higher time frame PD arrays. All right, so the high time frame PD array here, it was this beautiful order block. All right, we have beautiful order block, PD array, PD array. You feel me? We have this PD array. Now let's go to the 30-minute time frame, of course, to find the tool and where I took my trade. All right, here's the breaker, beautiful breaker, as you can see here. Breaker, minus sign. Okay, why minus sign? Because we're flipping. Let's say we have the market statement, change of market statement from buy program to sell program. So here I took my sell limit. By the way, you can go to my Discord. You can find the trade on chat. So yeah, that's it. I took sell here, stop loss here, 24 pips. Target, I'm targeting this low right here. Why? I'm gonna explain. Let's go to 1 hour time frame for better view. So here we need to look for low of the Asia session. We call it the shadow range. All right, we have 17. Of course, I'm using New York time zone. So 17, where is it? Boom, one here. So this is the shadow range and midnight. This is the shadow range for Thursday. Okay, from here, let's say here, we need to grab it till here. So yeah, that's it. This is the shadow range, and we know we have another shadow range. Where is it? 17, midnight. We have this another shadow range. Okay, got you. So here market start trade higher. This is Monday. Let's say Sunday, Monday. All right, Monday, boom, trade higher, grab the high, need to grab automatically. When they grab the high, need to grab the low. All right, grab the high, grab the low. Here too, grab the high, grab the low. So now look at this low. Market did not grab it. So what does mean? That the market is gonna melt till this low. All right, we need to grab this low. And as I told you that we are below the weekly open, so we are not gonna trade here. So here below the weekly open, no trade. Here where the most of traders lose their money. Okay, so the best trade is above the weekly open till the PD array. All right, here the best range to sell, because the logic is to sell high and buy low. Very easy. So yeah, that's the recap for my gold yesterday loss and about my win. By the way, I'm winning. I'm a profit. I mean, so I'm gonna close right here. and maybe we're gonna reach lower, you know what I mean, to catch the PDRA because we still have tomorrow news and Friday news. So I'm gonna explain a little bit the logic, people. So let's get started with the news. All right, I'm gonna put here news. By the way, listen. All right, grab paper, pen, and write with me. All right. So we have Monday. Okay, let's go faster. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wait a minute. All right, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday. Wait a minute. Okay, Monday we set no news. Tuesday, no news. Wednesday, all right, we have news. Thursday, we have news. Friday, same thing, we have news. So here we're gonna predict what market is gonna make. You know what I mean? The move. So Monday, Tuesday, there is no volume. So market automatically it's gonna ranging. It's gonna like start accumulating, creating range. All right. This is Monday, Tuesday. So Wednesday we have news. So automatically the news push the market or bring volume to the market to reach that PD array. All right. Market need to reach PD array to create the high of the week and reach PD array to create the low of the week. Easy. That's the logic. You know what I mean? So then start trading lower. Boom. Then here we have Thursday news, trade lower, Friday news, it depends. Continuation of the move or back to the range. All right, so that's it. We call it this prediction. Let's say we call it the midweek reversal. Why? Because the news here on Wednesday, we create the high of the week on Wednesday. We call it midweek reversal, and we can create the high of the week on Tuesday. When we have Tuesday news, we call it the expansion, classic expansion. And the same thing, sometimes we can create the high of the week on Monday. We call it the classic expansion. And imagine we don't have news on Wednesday. We have only on Thursday and Friday. Very easy. We're going to create the high of the week on Thursday. All right, and we call it consolidation reversal. So this is one of the most famous fractal, all right, let's say profile, and this is one of them. Like, by the way, you can find PDF on my Discord. Go on my Discord server, HTLFX, and go to the PDF to read. All right, on the room you can find like the profile PDF. So download that profile. We have all the profile there, and this is one of the most famous. Like, there is three: the classic expansion, the midweek reversal, and we have the consolidation reversal. So yeah, that's it. Now we need to let's say, boom, we're gonna predict today move. Okay, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we create the high of the week. All right, let's say this is the week open. All right, we have this at the week open. Let's try it. I'm trying to explain because the timing. All right, this is the week open, this is the high, this is the low, this is the close. All right, this is it's gonna be boom, open, high, low, close. So I'm gonna explain now how candle created, like the weekly candle. Very easy. This is the open. All right, let's say this is the candle. I'm gonna, okay, red, I mean green, 100%. All right, so weekly open, market start trade higher. All right, here, higher. By the way, without any trading lower, directly start trading higher. Now people say, oh, like let's say the retired trader, they say, oh my god, market going up, so they start just buying. Exactly here, smart money, or let's say banks, hedge funds, federal they're just pumping the market to reach the PDRA, all right? Or let's say bring volume to the market just to reach PDRA using the news, all right? Reach PDRA, then start trade lower. So now we need to kick this retired trader. They trade, the FOMO, fear of missing out. We kick them out. Then we start trading lower. So now the smart money, they're accumulating the sells. Boom, 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 boom. Let's say, okay, here, this is the high. I'm gonna try to be more, let's say, professional, all right? We're gonna create wicks, then, all right? Wait, let's change the color. Okay, I mean color of the wick. No, not here. Let's say green. All right. Then when they reach the high, start trading lower. You see, this is the wick. This is how the weekly candle created. Trading lower, 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 lower. Boom. Now we are at the week open. You feel me? This is the week open. Now we need to change the color because we need to start trading lower. So we are selling. We change the wick color. Then here, what's happened? Boom, boom, trade lower, trade lower, trade lower. By the way, this is where the most of the trader lose their money, because here's the best price to sell when it start trading higher, because we need to sell higher price and buy lower price. So now we start trading lower here. Don't touch trading, get out the chart. You sell here a higher price below the weekly open. If you're more advanced, it's okay, but if you're a beginner, nah, stay away. Boom, trade lower, 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 lower. Then why? Here the news, let's say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, volume to the market to reach the PD array to create the low of the week. So now I'm gonna, okay, expand. By the way, this move from, let's say this move from the week open below, we call it the expansion, all right? Then here we reach the PD array, boom, we start back in the, let's say back to the range. This is from here, wait a minute, from here to here, this is, we call it the Friday, the Thanks God Friday TGF model, by ICT. And of course the target is going to be here from the high of the week, the low of the week, and we target this level 0.2, 0.3, the target. So yeah, that's it. This is logic of the market, all right? So yeah, that's it. And smart money, that's why I said smart money, there are no logic, no narrative trader, because imagine here the market open, they start looking for buys. So today on EURUSD, there is some smart money concept trader. They find their setup here, boom, they trade higher. They wanna, you know what I mean? They wanna reach higher, but no. That's the logic. Trade lower. We create the high, then we move down. Create the low. All right. So yeah, that's it. By the way, I'm not here to judge smart money. I know a lot of smart money traders. They're profitable, and yeah, that's it. That's the logic. So thanks for watching, and see you. Goodbye. By the way, don't forget thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, cheers.